Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And as you all know, I post time-lapse video in this channel. So recently I have uploaded a time-lapse video and you all have given a great response in that. But I want something more because I am also putting some effort in making these videos. It's really take around 4 to 5 hours to record the video and to edit and all. It is a process of a whole day to make a video to you. So I think you will all support this video. I have put many efforts in this. So let's start the video. Hope you will all like this. So this was the first clip that you saw now. Hope you enjoyed this clip, and if you are new to my channel then do subscribe to my channel. You will get here the notification, and also press the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload my videos. So coming to the second one, so let's see the second clip. Let's start. Hope you like the second clip as well. Coming to the third clip, which is one of my favorite clip, and this is the time of the sunset. So you can see the sun going down. So hope you will like the third clip as well. So let's start this third clip.